New effects. Crystal LacquerPro DeLite family. The new Crystal LacquerPro DeLite family takes its inspiration from nature, celebrating the beauty and intensity of naturally occurring shades in the landscape. It is a reflection of our current need to slow down the pace of life and find more sustainable ways of living. Crystal Burgundy, Crystal Cappuccino, Crystal Ochre, Crystal Army Green, and Crystal Light Gray make up the 5 new DeLite effects. With highlighted facets that show the depth and clarity of the crystal, they bring increased sparkle and light return, while harmonizing perfectly with the existing crystal colors. Combine with Shiny LacquerPro or Shimmer lines for fashionable, matte, sparkling fusions. For color-matching designs, use the shimmer effects with black diamond, light Colorado topaz, light topaz, and the newly introduced crystal and amethyst on beads, pendants, and so-ons. The Crystal LacquerPro DeLite effects are especially suitable for jewelry, watches, apparel, and accessories, while their on-trend opaque beauty will catch the eye. Choose from round stones, fancy stones, flat-back hotfix, and no hotfix in sizes starting at SS10 up to 30 millimeters.